Hello, in this video I will show you how you can scan documents on Redmi 15C. So first of all you have to download some app from Play Store, and it calls Adobe Scan. You have to find it, and this is how it looks like. Adobe Scan AI PDF scanner. So download it, and after that open Adobe Scan app. And this is like the camera, so that allows you to scan the documents in the documents section. So let's pretend that the Redmi 15 box is my document that I want to scan it, and I will show you how it looks like. Just simply take a picture of it. It's like making itself automatically. So now you can adjust this document shape. You can crop it, you can drag the corners, adjust it like you want. And basically when it's done, just click Save PDF over here. Now tap on More over here, skip this ad, tap on More, and go to Copy to Device. And save whatever you want. You can also change the name of this file. Click Save, and as you can see, the document has been copied to your device. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.